Bangladesh has said that it will soon take steps to hold negotiations with India over the sharing of water of transboundary rivers. Azerbaijan has officially disclosed that the JF17 Block-III aircraft has been inducted into its air force. Chinese Navy's newest nuclear-powered attack submarine suffered a major technical malfunction at a shipyard in Wuhan, and it sank into the Yangtze River. The small arms factory has received a major export order for 2,000 medium machine guns from a European country. Indian Army will deploy Prachand attack helicopter in Ladakh by 2025. Indian Army's deal for 110 light utility helicopters is currently in the cost negotiation stage. DRDO and Astra Microwave are jointly developing a cutting-edge photonics radar technology that offers longer range of detection and better position sensing. The Air Forces of India and US held the 25th edition of Executive Steering Group meeting to boost close cooperation between the two services. The Commanding General of the Philippines Air Force was briefed on the air-launched Brahmos weapon system. China has test-fired its 12,000 km DF-41 intercontinental ballistic missile into the Pacific Ocean. New Space Research and Technologies has successfully developed an autonomous UAV for search and rescue in indoor environments under DRDO's TDF scheme. The Indian Army is actively exploring the procurement of artificial intelligence-infused autonomous UAVs and unmanned ground vehicles for Ladakh's extreme altitudes. DRDO and L&T has successfully developed indigenous ship-installed chemical agent detection system. Seacon Engineering Projects has delivered the 5th missile-cum-ammunition barge to the Indian Navy. The Azerbaijani president has officially welcomed the Chinese JF17 Block-III fighter jets into service with the country's air force, and this acquisition has placed Armenia under increasing pressure to counter Azerbaijan's growing air power. Armenia currently operates a fleet of 4 Su-30 and 16 Su-25 aircraft, and while Armenia has approached India to procure new air-to-ground weapons, India might consider offering its Tejas MK1A fighter jet as a potential solution that could provide Armenia with a much-needed air defense capability and serve as a deterrent against potential aggression from Azerbaijan. According to the 2025 budget project, Armenian military will increase its spending by 20% raise. The Defense Acquisition Council had approved the acceptance of necessity for an indigenously designed long-range standoff weapon to be integrated with the Su-30 aircraft. Initial reports suggested that it would be an air-launched cruise missile with a range of 1,500 kilometers. However, recent developments indicate that it will be incorporated into the existing Rudram family of air-to-surface missiles, and might be designated as Rudram-4, offering extended strike capabilities for the Su-30. Following the successful development and testing of the Agni-4 MK2, the DRDO has started developing Agni-4 MK2 missile that will incorporate several enhancements, including a significant reduction in weight from 17,000 kilograms to under 14,000 kilograms through the use of composite materials. The new MRF-capable Agni-4 MK2 will have an extended range of 5,000 kilometers, bringing a larger portion of China within its striking distance. Chennai-based Big Bang Boom Solutions has developed a cutting-edge directed energy weapon known as Vajra Strike that is designed to neutralize aerial threats with unparalleled precision and speed. It utilizes integrated sensors, an advanced artificial intelligence framework, sensor fusion, and computer vision algorithms that ensures accurate identification and categorization of drones for effective neutralization. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.